And set the bar higher so I can inspire. With them, my mind just had a flyer. The rap messiah, fresh to death.
Hey, what's up, guys? We're going to be going over the frequently asked questions on the drift trike kits that we sell. So stick around and check it out. The first question I get asked the most is, do I have to weld this kit? The answer is, yes, you do. The next question I get a lot is, what kind of welding should I do? MIG, TIG, stick? Well, to be honest with you, you can use whatever you want. If you have access to a MIG, TIG, or stick, then use it. What's the material thickness? The thickness of the material is 0.120 wall. In most cases, you're going to want to set your welder around 120 amps. That should work perfect. Do not use brake cleaner to clean your parts before welding. Where do you get all the parts? Right after you place your order, we get your email address and we send you a recommended parts list with clickable links. How do I notch the mainframe rails? Email that we send you a cut wrapper. Looks just like this. All you do is you print it out, cut it up, use it as a template, notch the tube, weld it, and you have got yourself a drift trike. And that's it for the frequently asked questions. If you like these videos, please consider subscribing. Check us out on Instagram and Facebook, and we'll see you guys out there. Happy drifting.